Most people get this wrong when they try money-making apps. They see huge earning claims, spend hours playing games, and then wonder why they only made a few dollars. So here's the truth no one tells you about Cash Giraffe in 2026. Yes, it can pay real money. But only if you understand how the app actually works. In this video, I'll show you real earning expectations, how payouts work, and the biggest mistakes that stop people from cashing out. I'll also explain whether Cash Giraffe is still worth using in 2026 compared to other reward apps. First, let's answer the biggest question immediately. Does Cash Giraffe actually pay? Yes. Cash Giraffe rewards users for downloading and playing mobile games. As you play, you earn coins that can later be redeemed for gift cards or PayPal Cash in supported regions. Here's where many people get confused. The app does not pay you per win. It mostly tracks playtime and engagement. So if Jake downloads a recommended game and plays consistently for a few days, he earns more points than someone who opens the app once and quits after 5 minutes. Now here's where it gets interesting. Your earnings are usually highest during the first few hours of a new game. After that, the reward rate often slows down. This is why experienced users constantly rotate between new offers instead of grinding the same game forever. For example, Alex tested 3 different games in one weekend. The first game earned him points quickly during the beginner levels. The second slowed down after 1 hour. The third offered bonus milestones for reaching certain levels. By switching strategically, he reached his first payout much faster. But here's the problem. Many users ignore the tracking rules. If you install games outside the Cash Giraffe app, rewards may not register correctly. You also need to allow app tracking permissions on your phone. This is where most people fail, and then think the app is fake. Another important thing is payout expectations. Cash Giraffe is not a full-time income app. Most casual users earn small amounts consistently. Think extra coffee money, gaming rewards, or side cash. If someone tells you they made thousands overnight, that's probably exaggerated. In a minute, I'll show you the fastest way to reach payout. Focus on games with beginner bonuses and milestone rewards. Avoid games that require heavy grinding early on. Also, check the reward multiplier before installing a game. Higher multipliers usually mean faster earnings. The best part is that Cash Giraffe typically has low cash-out thresholds compared to some older reward apps. That gives users quicker small wins, which keeps motivation high. So, here is the bottom line. Cash Giraffe is legit, it does pay real users, and payment proof in 2026 is still showing successful withdrawals. But your results depend on strategy, consistency, and choosing the right offers. If this video helped you understand how Cash Giraffe really works, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below with your own payout experience. That way, other viewers can learn what's working right now.